Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a deep dive on the all-new Jaecoo J7, which just launched in 2024. Let's see if this phone lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the design. The Jaecoo J7 boasts a sleek and stylish look, with a rumored metal frame and a gorgeous glass back that feels great in the hand. It comes in a few different colors, including, the display is a big selling point here. It's a large inch AMOLED panel with a super smooth refresh rate, bezels are slim, and there's a tiny punch hole cutout for the selfie camera in the top center. Overall, the display is fantastic for watching videos, gaming, or just browsing the web. Under the hood, the Jaecoo J7 is rumored to be packing a powerful processor, which is one of the latest and greatest on the market. This should provide excellent performance for even the most demanding tasks. The camera system on the Jaecoo J7 has gotten a lot of attention. It features a quad-lens rear setup with megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, a telephoto lens, and a depth sensor. Early camera tests show that the J7 can take some stunning photos and videos, especially in good lighting conditions. The Jaecoo J7 is equipped with a large omoda battery. This should provide all-day battery life for most users, even with moderate to heavy use. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when you're running low. The Jaecoo J7 comes out of the box with rumored Android version. Jaecoo has a reputation for providing a clean and bloatware-free software experience, and we expect the J7 to be no different. Pricing for the Jaecoo J7 is still under wraps, but rumors suggest it will be priced competitively in the flagship smartphone market. Availability is also unknown at this time, but we expect it to be available for purchase in the coming weeks or months. So, there you have it. The Jaecoo J7 is shaping up to be an excellent flagship smartphone with a lot to offer. It has a beautiful design, a top-of-the-line display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera system, and long battery life. We're excited to see how this phone stacks up against the competition when it finally hits the market. Let us know what you think about the Jaecoo J7 in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.